Alright, language explorers. So, I want to share two quick lessons that I learnt from climbing Scafell Pike, England's largest mountain, yesterday, 20th of October 2021. So, two lessons, step by step, passo por passo, step by step. You got something big, need to overcome. How are you going to take it down? How are you going to overcome this challenge, this threat, this obstacle, achieve that goal? How? Step by step, passo por passo. I had this big cliff I had to climb near the end, in the final section of the mountain, and I was scrambling, just hiking, climbing upwards almost, very steep. I was thinking, how can I do this? How? I don't know how I can do that bit, but this bit here, take one step at a time, step by step, passo por passo, bit by bit, onwards and upwards. So there's a goal you want to achieve, something to work on, step by step, bit by bit. And the other thing is, keep the end goal, the end mission, the big picture in mind. Mountaineers get disillusionment. They think that's the summit. That's the summit. They have their mind set on that, and they reach it, and then they get unencouraged. They disencouraged. They get upset, sad, discouraged, dissuaded. Oh no! So always think that might be the summit, but it might not be. Let's get to it first, and then we'll see if that really is the summit or not. So those two things, keep the big picture in mind, just keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing, and step by step, passo por passo, passo por passo, passo por passo, step by step, step by step. How are you going to climb up there? How can I climb up there? Well, I don't know exactly, but step by step, step by step, step by step, onwards and upwards. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.